national identity is a shared civic identity. It is a sense of belonging grounded in law, rights, and mutual recognition. It reflects the understanding that we belong to the same community, we share responsibility for the same home, we are protected by the same rights, we are moving toward the same future, and we recognize one another as equal members of the society. So, nations are built by creating one community with a shared purpose. National identity does not erase culture, it does not erase history, and it doesn't erase ancestry. What it does, it provides a legal and constitutional framework within which diversity can flourish.